In this tutorial, you will learn how to model a process using Smart Process. The process model features 3 swim lanes, along with a header, a footer, and a start symbol. We begin the modeling process by selecting the task symbol, which is essential for an effective workflow. After placing and naming the task symbol, we connect it to the start symbol using the arrow from the symbol palette. We can also use the symbol palette to add new objects to our process. If you use the symbol palette, the connection between the symbols is already preset. From the same palette, we now make use of an intermediate event by adding it to the process. In process modeling, we have 3 gateways at our disposal. We use them as the workflow now diverges. You can learn more about gateways in our help section. We use an exclusive gateway to open up 2 possibilities simultaneously. We use the object menu to change the task type. This time, we use a parallel gateway to allow 2 tasks to run concurrently. Finally, we use the end symbol to represent the conclusion of our process. After saving, we can view our tasks in the process tree by clicking the plus sign next to the process. Our tasks are also sorted alphabetically under the process model. I hope this tutorial assists you in creating processes that are both effective and well structured.